Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here I have a 2009 Mazda BT50 dual cab ute. It's the 3 litre WE turbo diesel 4-wheel drive automatic. Tap in the front, as you can see, fairly tidy car. 220k, so we'll have a look in a second anyway. Just a quick walk around. Reasonably straight. Tow bar, tail lights. Tub's not too bad. Got the wheels on it. Cloth trim in there, airbags haven't gone off, it's fairly standard. Nope, creaky door. Top bonnet's got a snorkel. Bonnet looks alright too. Pop that up there. Looking quite place, start it up. 3rd 09. 08. ABS. And we'll jump in here and start it up for you. 210, it is 210,395 kilometres. So there it is, one BT50 before dual cab, but it's handling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Give us a call on that number on the wall, 02464 61733. If you need some of these BT50 parts or any other car parts for that matter. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.